Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today I had this amazing fresh turmeric rice for lunch. So let's see how to make this recipe. Remember, I have made a huge quantity for 6 to 7 persons. Now fresh turmeric is available in the market because it's winter season, and here I have peeled the turmeric and I have grated. I just grated 2 of these and comes to 1 cup. Now I have heated 1/4 cup oil. Add some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, half tablespoon, 2 tablespoon garlic or lehsun. Let the garlic brown a little. Add some green chilies, curry leaves, sliced ginger. Add onions. I have used 4 onions. You can use as much as you want. Don't brown the onions. As soon as they change color, add kasuri methi. And I've used green garlic. This is optional. If available, you add, otherwise skip. And green onions, some carrots, matar or green peas. Stir on a high flame for 3 minutes. And after that, add grated fresh turmeric 1 cup. And now cover and cook for 4 minutes. And now let's add some turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, amchur powder, garam masala, salt, and mix it well. And now I'm adding cooked basmati rice. You can use even raw rice. Mix it well and add some ghee and coriander leaves and you're done. I have this rice with even just raita or plain curd, but today I'm having it with palakam tea. You can check out the recipe in our channel. This is an amazing combination. Do let us know if you liked or disliked the video, and subscribe if you haven't, and press the like button. Thank you so much for watching Desilicious Kitchen. See you soon.